Buon ki breu ki la khnyom ya ki jingbam dan shu ki linti ya ki babyang bat bakalot hat sor shalong bat don ru ki khap balami ki jingbam ya song thu chingmot hapadeng ki nong ya linti bat ki nong de madan namar ki jingkentur ki nong de Kashalong Municipal Board hakatayo balalan kala itho bat penbenaya khat artli ki jaka hakaleng ka nong ba shalong banlong ki jaka shong dukan madan bat kane katanat sarkar kala shemme kene ka senjam namar ki jing ot jing nam palat jong ki pat ba ya ki jing khap nya kilinti ya hakan nong ba ka balaja na ka jing kentur palat pot jong ki nong shong dukan madan klam da perkhat shu ya ubabun balang
Office jong Shillong Municipal Board kala itu ikini kijaka negi vending zone kat kum ki kendon jong Meglaya Street Vendor Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act arhajar kat saw. Kini kijaka ki kenthop kijaka penyang kali persya ek SBI main branch kijaka penyang kali hayo maulong kijaka penyang kali persya ek Anjali Cinema Hall kijaka belong Laidong persya ek SBI Cancer Trace kijaka Hapolo Marjan ka Matri Mandir Kajaka Kabalat Hajan ka CRPF ka Mapolo, Kajaka Hajan Lady Hydri Park, Nado Asam PWD Guest House, Haduk Kerdop Jangka Park, Kajaka Hanan Pelok Persya Kajaka D Tiket, Kajaka Senda Kamadan Student Persya Dinam Hall, Kasurak Kualapati Persya ya ka Pak Senteo Parking Lot, Kajaka Pening Kali Hakiting Road Persya ka Gowenka Engineering Works, Bat Kasurak Quinton na Kerdop ka Marba Hub, Syaduk Kajaka Rong Pening Kali ka Muda. Katkum kene hukum lamana bandejing de hamadan latno tanghin kijaka ki balamang bat itu. Ki babon ki nongshong dukan madan ki bala register elade bat ke Shillong Municipal Board ki lepen pau ke jingkmen beklayo ekalat bandejing de bat ban pendap penbiang ila ke yeng kesem. Bat ki long ru bakin ai ke jinge trailang bat ke Shillong Municipal Board na ke bentaban wanra ke jingkot jing suba hakini kijaka. Hendrai kini kejing penbena jong ke Shillong Municipal Board kam sem lapen kemen pat ya ki katu kani ki nongshong di dukan hamadan. Kibakwa kamai lat lut hala kejong kamon kamtam kitu kibashong dukan ha kendai lat bat haji asrut kini ginong shong dukan badan kibaklam pat register ilade bat ke Shillong Municipal Board kilepen pau kejing benyau kene kejing penbena bat kilaker pat eksorkar jela bakan isin ailem yaki bat bakan ailem yakalat bakin kamai jakpo kini ginong de madan kilakubur bakajing de madan jongki kalakta bat penthot ikayat kayeng jongki pat ba bat kelepen mi ru ikjing hak nya hendrai kilong pat ba hakani kejok kerdok kam kerdok jam kim don shot akawai pat kalat ban kamai bat ban pendap ikjing don kam halayeng kila kentur ik sarkar bat ke Shillong Municipal Board bakan pen krek kejaka nak benta jongki kenang bakin yo ban dia lot kem da penthot ne penwet kayat kayeng jogi briau neki kali ne ban bu akjing ma kayat kayeng jogi pat ba
mensuanga teruang ara kriya entap tanah dok poliur aslam
ban long municipal te long ki mentati ki pat thode ngi mentati ki pat donde ga jing thode yuro te tip ken chadian pat ngim la ngi pat long la besah ne ngi la bam sini tu na do dang ret ngin pe cho ngam te ado mentati ngi dang pli dukan long dang shong suru tu te ba ka jing tere ngim don te ngi ban belat ngi doi ban belat la ne mentakim saya ingin ane tengin song sana kingiru inbo dukan si ingiru ngimdan orang kaja ka song tingiru ya kata
kum samlate seperti kue kalian tadi ni belas suweda bat the belas suwebat kum kajing yo ane bat yo belas suwebat kami hak kajing yo ane kalong bandali belas suwebat kana kembun ane bi so tangkai
Timson kene ka song terbiang ni apa pring surok kelaka nanti banyak kunjung di bawah.
Dah ka bakana lem no. Kata da amali era.
Ki pulet kenong ba Shillong hakala asngi ublei jong katayo kila play ya kesurok na pedang ka pulis bazar banyat ki kali naduk na kendai lat haduk banda poi ho umsosun. Komisi benta banaweng ya kejing daheng kali kabala penthot ekalet kawan jong baro. Ki pulet peniat kali kila sya ki kali bat ki thok bakin yat leng ba kesurok na pulis bazar ban mi shalat sosun bat cha kesurok sya sadar thana road bat kane kajingyat kali kandai ka one way la manai ki kali ban peniang ha keleng jong ne kesurok bat kinu ki bapen khen kene hukum kin sya dan kuna bat katanat pulet kala kentui kinong nya thok ki basyong basa ha sosun wa engdo bat kisnong ki bamarjan bakin pendon kam ya kane kesurok.
Say the basic idea behind opening of this police bazaar main heartland road to Umsosun is that many a times we get stuck in GS Road. Because number one, GS Road from Kendala to Umsosun to Motpran is connected. And when it is a weekly market day, when there is lots of rush in Barabazar, ultimately this road gets clogged because of the intersection in Motpran. So we had done many trials, we had done many analyzement, or we had analyzed, in fact, by moving in so and so vehicle during the bazaar day and during the non-bazaar days. We find that when we move in from Police Bazaar towards Umsosun, it's much lesser time we take than we travel in the GS Road. At present also, now you can try it out, because I myself has tried and many other people has tried and has been trying. They give us a comment or a feedback that there is little faster than they travel in the GS Road, because the road from Police Bazaar to Umsosun, there is no intersection, there is no stoppage. You can go straight. If you are going to Riyadh Simtia, Wahindo, you take from Police Bazaar to Umsosun road, and then you take a right turn towards Riyadh Simtia, Wahindo. There is no obstruction at all. But if you travel in a GS Road, number one obstruction you'll get is in Kendalat, Kiting Road Junction, and then it flows slowly towards Umsosun. Again, you have an intersection in Umsosun Junction. Then on top of that, you had Motpran intersection. So that is how the traffic gets slower and slower because of many intersections in this GS Road. So this is the main reason which we feel that opening of this Police Bazaar Umsosun Road will definitely ease the traffic in the GS Road. And many feedbacks we are getting that it has been helping. It has been helping from all sections of the society, like senior citizens, youths, different sections of people. They have been giving feedback that it is helping to a certain extent, but it will take time, since it's just recently opened. On Monday only we had opened the road on a trial basis. Let's see in the days to come.